Well, guys, as promised, told you there'd be something special for today. I've had this orange Ranger for probably about a year now. I bought it at Portage, I think in 2018. And just last weekend I found the red saw. That's the Sportster model. So now I have a 17-inch and a 21-inch. This red one's in much better shape than the orange one because the handle's not busted. The paint on it's in really good shape. I haven't even cleaned the saw up yet. I got it just as you see it. I did not pay what they were asking for it. But the cool part about it is this. Let's see if I can get you guys propped up here some way that'll work without my phone falling over. All right. Yeah, fires up second pull every time. Thing runs amazing. So that's my little surprise for you guys for today. Till then, I'll see you guys later.